everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful haircut by my own self. And if you want to cut this and if you want to know the technique how I have cut my hair, then please keep on watching.
Before watching my full video, please do like, subscribe, also hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification for my more videos.
I want to tell you 2 or 3 things before you start cutting your hair, that if you are a newcomer or beginner, then please do take up your mother or someone who can guide you, and please don't take the kitchen scissors. Please do go and buy and put a little bit of money into a good pair of scissors that last you for many years. If you keep in a really safe place, then it's the best scissor that you can use. Kitchen scissors are not used for hair cutting.
Hello everybody, welcome back. So I have just washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner, and I'm going to take a butter paper for cutting my hair. So all the hair whatever I cut, I just place it into it. So you can take any of the newspaper or any of the waste paper where you can cut your hair. So this is how my hair looks like, and I have just damped hair with the towel and nothing else, and we'll just start cutting. Now we are going to use this really wide comb, and I'm going to comb up my hair with this really softly, and try to not to pull your hair. So yeah, and now I'm just going to take the center partition, and from here I'm going to do 3 the front layering cut. So if your hair is really thick, then you can take 3 fingers space, and if your hair is really thin, then go for 5 fingers distance. And if your hair is medium like me, like not really thick and not really thin, then you can go for 4. So now I'm going to just divide it till my ear, and both the side I'm going to do the same way. You can see the partition how I have created, and it is like full C type of this. It can be really irregular, or if you are really, I have just practiced on it really a lot of times, so it has come really nice and really nice curve. So it depends on person to person. So same way I'm going to take a center partition, and from center part I'm going to take the 1 inch hair, like from ½ inch from this side and ½ inch from that side, and this is the guideline I'm going to create. And just take it from the last. You can see how thin hair these are, like freckle hair like. And now I'm going to cut it out like a straight, and same way we are going to do the other hair. And I'm just taking the guideline, I'm going to go downwards. You need to cut it slanting way, how the hair goes forward to forward. So I'm going to take inch by inch and cut it really downwards. Like take that guideline and cut it out, take the guideline and cut it out. I hope you can see I have just cut out. You are going to do the same way. You're going to take now the last end, I'm going to cut same way, just from down to up. I hope you can see the curve line over there, and same way we are going to do the opposite side with the beautiful curve. After you have done both the side, we are going to take and just make sure that everything is in place. So we are going to make a partition in center again, and I'm just going to comb this part and bring forward all the hair. I'm going to bring forward above my ear, and I'm just going to take all like this, and I'm just going to cut out whatever is outside my guideline. You can see these are just little outside my guidelines, so I'm going to cut little, and afterwards you can just join the guideline how much you need. Same way we are going to do opposite side, and we are going to cut it out straight. try to go really little amount of it, and just try to do both the sides very slowly. Just don't go hurriedly and just cut your hair. Whenever you do this, be patient, like go again and again, because you are who is cutting your own hair. So you can see, first time I have not cut, I was just checking out. Now after cutting the both the side, you need to check out what is the both the lengths, and you need both the lengths to be equal. Now I'm again going to take the full hair forward, and I'm going to just join it together, so all the hair are just going really flowy with all the hair behind. If you don't want really heavily layers to your hair, you can just stop here, and you can see that beautiful view, and same here you're going to see this beautiful view. So you can just stop here, you can just blow dry, and you can just move on. But I love to give a little bit of texture to my hair, little bit of bounce to my hair, because without bounce nothing goes well. So I like to give a really nice bounce to my hair. So for that we are going to go for the you can see the upper I don't know what it is called. So from the eyebrows, I'm going to take my line till the end of my neck, and I hope by seeing you'll understand it more clearly. So from the tip of my eyebrow to the end of my neck, and I'm going to tie up all this hair with rubber band or a clip, but I personally love to go with a rubber band because it just secures really perfectly when I do my layer. Same way we are going to do the opposite side, and just do it really patiently, because that is the hair we are going to do the layering cut. So these are the hair, the center part where I'm going to create layers. Now I'm going to create a box section. So just make one part a horizontal part, and just create one section to your hair. You can see that box part. So this is the box section which I have created, and from here we are going to create my layers. This is the first front layers which I'm going to create. I'm just going to take it 90 degrees angle, and I'm just going to cut it straight. Go again and again and again and again, so none of the hair is remaining out. It takes a little bit of time, but you will just get a beautiful haircut. Now I'm going to take a little bit of part, leaving it behind, and I'm just going to tuck all the hair in front, and that is the guideline which I have. So after that I'm going to take a little bit part from there like a box section again. I'm just going to mix the guideline whatever we had, which we have cut before, and I'm just going to take it in that way, take it really horizontal on top 90 degrees, and that I'm going to cut straight. Again I'm going to tuck the remaining hair in front and take a piece of the hair, and that hair we are going to move behind, and from there I'm again going to create a box section, and from there just take it 90 degrees on top and just cut it straight. Now this is the back section. This back section I'm going to go 40 degrees, which is just called, and from there I'm just going to take it behind, and you can see this hair I'm just going to cut it straight here. And a really little guideline I'm going to take it again, and I'm just going to add it to my last hair, and again I'm going to take it 40 degrees, and I'm just going to cut it straight. So that also I have cut it straight. So this is my exactly haircut, how it has become.
So this is the final look, and you can see how it is looking. So this is the final look. I hope you like it, and if you want any of the video of my blow dry, then please do comment me below so I can do a separate video on it. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and bye.